Want to reverse a video using the desktop version of CapCut? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step. To begin, open the CapCut application on your computer. You can start a new project or open an existing one. Once you're in your project, make sure the video you want to reverse has been imported and is placed in the timeline at the bottom of the screen. After confirming the video is in the timeline, select the clip. If you only want to reverse a specific part of the video, move the pointer to the point where you want the reversal to begin, then use the split tool to divide the clip. This will separate the video into different segments. Click on the section you want to reverse. Then go to the top menu and select the reverse option. CapCut will process the clip, and once it's done, you'll see that the selected portion now plays in reverse. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.